Experiencing issues with adaptive EQ on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Adaptive EQ personalizes sound by analyzing your ear canal, but it can sometimes fail. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 have a proper seal in your ear. Poor fit is the most common cause. Try different sized ear tips. Next, make sure your AirPods and paired device are updated to the latest iOS, iPadOS, and firmware. Outdated software often contains bugs that affect adaptive EQ. Reset your AirPods by placing them in their case, closing the lid, waiting 30 seconds, then opening the lid and holding the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect them to your device. If the problem persists, move on to more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the adaptive EQ issue, check for conflicting audio settings. Disable any custom EQ settings in your music app or device settings. Bluetooth codec issues can also interfere with adaptive EQ. Try switching between different codecs in your Bluetooth settings if available on your device. Some users have reported hardware issues with specific AirPods Pro 3 batches. Check the serial numbers on your packaging to identify if yours might be affected. Contact Apple support for potential hardware defects or recalls if you suspect an issue with your AirPods. If none of these steps work, adaptive EQ may not be fully compatible with your unique ear anatomy or listening environment. Consider alternative EQ settings or third-party apps for customized sound. Be aware that ongoing iOS beta testing may also refine the adaptive EQ feature in future updates.